Hey you guys, happy Friday. I'm gonna wait a second, make sure people get to jump on here with me. So you guys, I just realized something today. I'm gonna hold on one sec and make sure that you guys are able to jump on, because Instagram's been a little bit weird lately. Sometimes when people go live, this has happened to me a few times. Here come some people. Hi guys, it's Julie, what's up? Happy Friday. Woohoo, another Friday in quarantine, everyone. Hi, I see people joining now. All right, so you guys, I made an executive decision for all of us today. This is actually my 5th Friday quarantine kitchen, which is totally crazy. I know Harvey, my dog's over there pacing around too. How are you guys doing today? Are the days all totally blending together on you too? I also totally realized today that I think I've been wearing leggings for like 2 weeks straight, ponytail or bun on my head, and I was like, screw that, I'm putting on a dress, and today we're gonna make my lose your shoes margaritas. Who's up for some margaritas? You guys, it's gloomy and gray here in Hoboken. There are a lot of people who were supposed to be going away on beach vacations this week for spring break, and I just decided that to kind of commemorate that the weekend has started, we're gonna make my absolute favorite margarita recipe. Now, I know you guys are used to me making a lot of healthy recipes, but here's the thing. I do focus on healthy eating and healthy recipes, with the idea that you can balance your life out and get to enjoy great margaritas on the weekend. So these are not like no sugar skinny margaritas. What these are the margaritas that you have at your favorite Mexican place that knock your socks off, that are so great that you enjoy slowly in a cocktail glass. And you really only need like 4 ingredients, 5 if you count sugar. And I'm guessing you guys have them. You need lemon, lime. You can sub in other juices if you need to. For everyone joining, hey, it's Julie. I'm making my infamous Lose Your Shoes margaritas, and there's a reason why they have that name. I'm gonna make them first, and then I'll tell you guys where that came from. It's actually a pretty hilarious story. So you just need lemons, limes, triple sec or Cointreau, like an orange liqueur, tequila, duh, you guys knew that, and a little bit of sugar. So to get started, we're just gonna jump right in. We're starting with a 1/2 cup mixed 1/2 cup lime juice, 1/2 cup lemon juice. And I'm making this just to serve 4 people, which is my boyfriend and I in like an hour, if you want to know the truth. The recipe's on my website, cookingwjulie.com. Just search Lose Your Shoes Margaritas and you can have it like I'm doing here. So I'm just gonna dump everything in a pitcher. So 1/2 lemon juice, 1/2 lime juice. That's actually balancing out the acidity of the lime. It's gonna taste delicious, but here's how we're really gonna amp up the lime flavor. This is one of my favorite secrets for this margarita recipe. You guys know how much I love my microplane, right? Everyone's always seeing me doing like garlic on this, ginger, other things. Hey everyone joining, it's Julie, what's up? It's Friday, we're making my Lose Your Shoes margaritas. Because you know what? This is my 5th Friday in quarantine and it's gloomy and gray out and we deserve some damn fun at this point. So, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of lime juice into a pitcher. You're gonna add some lime zest. And these guys are fantastic for that. I'll show you why. It lets you grate the zest so fine that it's not gonna get like stuck in your teeth or taste too bitter. The reason we're doing this, the zest of lemon and lime adds amazing citrus lemon lime flavor without making things more tart. So we're gonna get away with using less sugar than you would normally need in a margarita by adding the lime zest. How's everyone's Friday going? You guys psyched for the weekend? Throw me some hearts and thumbs up if you guys are psyched for the weekend like me. I don't care if the days blend together. We need to find something to celebrate, and today we're gonna be making margaritas just to put a smile on our faces. I'm ready for some sunshine, you guys. So I'll show you guys what this looks like. Check it. Can you see how finely that grates it? I'm also using this to cover my cleavage. I was joking when I jumped on, guys. I finally got out of my leggings, took a shower, and put a dress on because I just can't stand myself anymore. Hi, Harvey. My puppy is very curious about what we're doing in here. So you see how easy that is, right? Seriously, go on Amazon or Bed Bath online, wherever. They're like really cheap. Microplane grater, fantastic for lime zest. Everyone joining, we're making my Lose Your Shoes margaritas. They are the most badass, amazing margaritas ever, and they have a really great backstory that gave them that name. I'm gonna tell you after I finish making them so we can just kind of hang out. Hopefully, is anyone making these along with me? I didn't post it early enough for you guys to get your stuff together. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so these do have a little bit of sugar in them. If you guys like making cocktails at home, I highly recommend you grab some superfine sugar. Do you guys know this stuff? Bartenders use it all the time. It's not confectioner sugar. It's like sort of in between in a way. You can actually make your own of this using straight up regular baking sugar, what you would do is put this in a little mini food processor or blender and just run it a few times. It just breaks it up. It lets it dissolve into the liquid a lot faster. So it's a good like bartender trick. I'm no bartender, I'm a recipe writer, but I always have a little of this like tucked away with my booze to use when I make cocktails. So you need 1/4 cup. So it's not that sweet. These are not gonna be those sticky, sweet, gross margaritas. These are gonna be like grown-up margaritas. Okay, 1/4 cup. And then, oh man, I forgot my spoon. Hold on, I'll be right back. Going with this. You stir to combine. The other reason why I love this recipe, I'm doing it in a pitcher with ice right now. If you wanted to, you could make these margaritas in a big pitcher ahead. Don't put them on ice. Just stir together the lemon juice, lime juice, the sugar, let it dissolve. If you're using regular sugar, you're gonna wanna do it a little bit ahead of time so the sugar can dissolve in. And you can just keep it either at room temp or in the fridge ahead of time for your party. Also after you add the booze. I'll explain. So I've got lemon juice, lime zest, super fine sugar on ice. Hey guys, everyone joining, it's Julie, what's up? We're making my Lose Your Shoes margaritas because damn it, it's Friday. It's my 5th Friday in quarantine and I kind of think we all deserve a little sunshine sort of treat since spring break didn't happen and it's pretty gloomy here in Hoboken. All right, next we're gonna add some triple sec. So for this, I did a 1/2 cup lime juice, 1/2 cup of lemon juice. So it's gonna get, are you guys ready for this? I promise you're gonna love these, they're so delicious. It actually gets 2 cups of triple sec and 2 cups of tequila. This is gonna make a legit pitcher of margaritas. You guys like making cocktails at home? Give me some thumbs up if people do. I figured this was an easy one. Cinco de Mayo's coming. Spring will eventually seriously be here and summer and we for reals deserve some fun. I could start telling you the story. It's really hilarious. So even before I went to culinary school and became a recipe writer, I was obsessed with finding the best version of everything and I loved making things at home. So for a girlfriend who was getting married, I decided, she loved margaritas, it was like our thing. I decided that I was gonna test every popular, hi guys, I see people saying hi. I was gonna test every popular margarita recipe out there and do like a scientific taste test with my upstairs neighbors. I was living in Hoboken then, and my neighbors came downstairs. Okay guys, so I added lemon juice, lime juice, super fine sugar. I added my triple sec. Now I'm gonna add my 2 cups of tequila. Don't be afraid, they're gonna taste amazing, I promise. They're boozy though, I'm telling you. Okay, so I made like 4 different versions of margaritas and my neighbors came downstairs and they love Mexican food. They were well traveled, loved going out to eat. She actually writes recipes for a living now too. And we start out all scientific, like rating them with a little rating card. And then as the night went on, we realized that the only ones we were really drinking were these because they were so delicious. And then, this is the fun part, my neighbor's husband came straight after work, you know, in his work clothes or whatnot. And when we wrapped up for the night, who knows what time it was, we all went to bed, he accidentally left his shoes under the table. We were hanging out in back, I had like a little patio, a little backyard. So he went upstairs, went to bed, woke up in the morning and had like 0 idea what the hell he did with his shoes. So these became Julie's Lose Your Shoes margaritas. I think he completely forgot and thought he came home from work barefoot. You guys, that is it. So I just rocked out a whole pitcher of margaritas in no time. These are so delicious. They're tart and super limey, not too sweet. They are definitely boozy and a little bit strong. Question for you, do you guys like a salted rim? Who's into that? I do, I'm totally into it. Give me some thumbs up if you guys like a salted rim. Anyone? I'm not seeing anyone. Any hearts? Anyone like salt with their margarita? I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So you just take the lime that you already zested. The lime zest is really the trick to this, to make it like, give it that great flavor. All right, cool. I see some thumbs up for some salt. Awesome. So all you need to do to salt the rim is, I'm gonna have to grab another glass too. I guess I should give some to my boyfriend, right? They can't all be for me. Be right back, you guys. Hello. All right, so you just take a wedge of lime like this and you go around the rim of your glass. If you guys haven't done this, very easy. By the way, if you wanted, you could make blood orange margaritas, which would be fun. You could just swap out, I would swap in the blood orange juice I got some of these in my Misfit Foods order. I was pretty psyched. You would swap that in for the lemon juice. Do not leave out the lime. That's like the thing that makes it like a margarita for sure. But if you want to play with other flavors, I would go half lime juice, half either blood orange, regular orange juice, mango juice could be really fun. Okay, so we just rubbed the lime around the edges. Now you just take your straight up bowl with some kosher salt that you cook with, and you just give it, I just want to show you guys how easy this stuff is. Ta-da! Check it. How fun is that? Now, if you wanted to, if you guys like, you could put like a little chili powder in there for color. If you wanted, you could use spicy tequila in this to mix it up. It's so simple. But you should serve these on the rocks. So I mixed them up in a pitcher over ice. If you were making these ahead for eventually when we're having parties and having people over, or if you want to make yourself a big batch and like have them in the fridge ready for Friday night, Saturday night, happy hour, or whenever, just don't mix it with the ice. Mix together the lemon juice, the lime juice, the sugar, tequila, triple sec in the proportions I told you. And I'll post this afterwards too. And guys, it's on my website. Lose Your Shoes Margaritas on cookingwjulie.com. I stirred it in over ice. You can, if you do it without ice, what I would do is throw it in a shaker with some ice to get it nice and cold. And I'm gonna pour myself one. Who's gonna try this? Anyone gonna try to make some margaritas for themselves? I hope so. I needed a little boost today, a little cheer up, a little sunshine, and I thought I would bring you guys some too. So, I'm basically gonna give you a big old cheers right now, and I hope you guys are doing okay. Oh, it's bad luck to cheers and not drink, Julie, what the hell? Oh my God. You guys, these are seriously the margaritas that you have when you go to your favorite Mexican place and you're like, holy crap, what just happened to me? And they tasted so good and you didn't realize. They are so much fun. They're really well balanced. They're not too tart, not too sweet. They totally pack a punch. So go slowly, or I swear, I promise, you might like, I don't know, where can we go, right? I guess it's okay if you leave your shoes in the living room and walk upstairs barefoot to bed. But for reals, when life gets back to normal, make these for your party. Your friends will love them. And I hope you guys have as great a weekend as you possibly can. I highly recommend getting out of your I don't know, your comfy clothes like I've been hanging out in and throwing on a dress and throw yourself a little party tonight. I have somebody I wanted to mention too who I absolutely love. If you guys haven't checked him out yet, there's this awesome DJ out in LA. He goes by @DNice. Has anyone checked out his Club Quarantine sessions? I've posted about it a bunch of times in my stories. I want to see if anybody's heard of him. Right when you get off here, I want you guys, it's so funny how the light keeps changing behind me. I want you guys to check out his feed because I guarantee he's spinning tonight. He basically just hangs out at his turntable all night playing like the best music. He gets like 50,000, 100,000 people joining his live. He's been like carrying me through weekends on quarantine. A few hearts. Hopefully some people saw DNice. It's @DNice. I highly recommend. Okay, guys, I'm going to say goodbye. Happy Friday. I hope you're all doing okay. And reach out anytime for recipe ideas, whatever. I promise we'll be back to healthy recipes tomorrow, but I wanted some margaritas tonight. Bye, guys. See if I can end it without totally giving you guys a peep show.